So I overheard people talking about the Smoky Mountains, and they seemed to said it was a rainforest.
Yeah, it's a temperate rainforest.
Temperate rainforest.
Oh my god.
Oh, sorry.
Nope.
There's one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding. Oh, and the seasons change.
There's
That must
Narnia
be
again. We're back in
Yeah.
Narnia.
Narnia.
It is. Hey, Drive. So, we're back in the Smokies, and y'all gonna hear me say it a bunch of times. It's cold. But yeah, it's like 23 degrees. It's supposed to go up to like 40. It's been icing and snowing, as you can see. But I think I'm going to Peck, KnOB ShELTER, which is like 10 miles away. Cold, but it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I am about 4.3 miles away from camp, and I'm going to be going to Peck's Corner ShELTER tonight. Yes, and it's beautiful out here. It's a beautiful view. Beautiful, beautiful view. So. Hey, Tribe. So I am at camp, and it's about 5:30. Tent is up, and very cold. ShELTER is full. It's supposed to be a cold night tonight, so I'm gonna have my layers on. I already ate. The bag is hung, and we're done. So, love and hike.